भारत के खिलाफ तारीखी मार्का हक का 1 साल मुकम्मल एयर हेडक्वार्टर इस्लामाबाद फिश खसूसी तकरीब पाक फिजा देश शहदा खाजन खराज से तहसीन एहसासात तूवी नवाजिया के तकरीब विच खिताब करते हुए एयर चीफ मार्शल जहीर अहमद बाबर सिद्धू ने आख्या पाक फिजाया ने भारतीय चारियता भरपूर ते मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिता।
Haq has great significance in the history of Pakistan Air Force, as indeed our country. Pakistan Air Force declared highest level of alert, enhancing full spectrum surveillance to ensure complete observation of enemy moves. Pakistan Air Force attacked many high value and high visibility targets. Its power and transport system was disrupted. Critical operational installation crippled. Most modern Rafale were shut down and state-of-the-art S-400 battery was destroyed. The enemy was literally on its knees much before we could imagine. Ladies and gentlemen, what the world witnessed in May 2025 was not achieved overnight, but acquired through our transformative modernization undertaken with